How to use WhatsApp on two phones. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can use WhatsApp on two phones with the same account, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if you want to use WhatsApp on two phones with same account, on my left hand side I have got my primary WhatsApp where my WhatsApp is already logged in, by the way, as you can see here. And on my right hand side I have got a secondary device on which my WhatsApp is not logged in, but I want to link this device so that I can use my WhatsApp on this phone as well, and the exact same account that is on my left hand side. So what if I want to use this WhatsApp account both at the same time on this particular device as well? Well, to do this is very simple. So I will leave my primary phone at the floor for a while, and now I will simply take out my secondary device and then just continue with the setup and tap on agree and continue. Well, you can see on this particular page it will ask me to enter my phone number, but what we need to do is from the top right, instead of entering the phone number, tap the three dots option from the top right here and then go to the option called link as companion device. So this is the option we want to select. So when you select link as companion device, it will ask me to actually scan this QR code. So I'm going to place this phone on my floor here, and then I'm going to open up my primary device where I need to tap the profile icon from the top right. Then just go to this option right here known as linked devices, and here you'll find link a device. So tap on link a device option over here and confirm with your fingerprint, and then just make sure to actually scan the QR code that is on your another phone here. Once you scan the QR code on your another phone, on your next phone as well, you can see the same WhatsApp account will now actually get logged in. So on my left hand side you can see my primary device, on my right hand side you can see my secondary device which has been linked with the same number and the same chats. So this way you should be able to use two WhatsApp accounts on two phones at the same time. The same WhatsApp account on two phones. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.